welcome to the press club of Brussels.
Thank you very much.
Pleased to see you.
Thank you for organization, all of that.
Thank you.
Great honor every day.
Hello. Welcome to the press club. Hello. Welcome to the press club. I'm the president of the press club. Thank you.
Be here.
I wish you lots of success.
Thank you very much. Thank you. European Commission do very good things. Now member countries depend. But of course, it's a parliament.